Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for an update. Skylum released a few days ago the new update, the autumn update from Luminar Neo, and they did it. It happened. It's everything amazing. Let's start with the new update, what makes the program, makes the software working faster, much more better. The second thing, you can make the restoration of your old pictures from your grandparents from the 19th century or something like that. It means you can easily transform an old picture into a new picture, and that all with restoration. You just drag the picture into the restoration. You can choose how you wanna edit it, if you wanna have the full picture like new, or just the color restoration, or the scratches of the picture. The new update transform your old picture into a new picture. The third option is the light depth. It's, for me, incredible. With light depth, you can decide on which zone of the picture should be more light or darkness. You can move around and you see that just changing the light situation in the picture. And the fourth and the master update is that you can create your own online gallery using Luminar Space, a possibility to share your work with Luminar Neo, with your friends, with your customers. And honestly, I must say that the time for the photography websites is over. If you download this program, if you download Luminar Neo, you can create your online gallery, dividing the pictures in different spaces. For example, in astrophotography, you can share all your pictures, what you edited with Luminar Neo, with all the world. So this is the amazing new update. You can download Luminar Neo using the link in the description. Don't forget to follow me, and if you like this video, don't forget to like it. See you next time.